Alright guys, I'm just out here with the old regular Bebop, the old classic, and I just want to fly to see what kind of life is left in this battery. The other one completely died, and I want to see how close to dying this one is. So, I mean, I get fully charged and it says 99%, 89% on the controller. But, you know, when they get old, I mean, I've charged this thing about 75 or 80 times. They drop fast. So I just want to take it up just to see how long, what kind of flight time I'm going to get left in this thing. So if it starts dropping too quick, I'm going to... Yeah, it already went down to 85%, 84%, 83%, so, you know, it's pretty much adios amigo for me and the Bebop. It's already down to 80. Yeah, it's a dying dog. My Bebop days are over because I probably won't buy any more batteries for it until next year. Now it's down to 65% already. I think I hear a chopper. You know, guys, I live in an area where there's constant helicopter activity, so I'm always listening. Usually I can hear them when they're coming. %60 now, so... %54. So I'm not going too far, I can tell you that right now. Oh well. %42. I don't even know if it's recording or not, to be honest with you. Usually it shows on there if it's recording. Well, there's something I didn't know, that when you go into the settings, the battery's already down to 25%. When you go into the settings on this thing, it locks you out of the control on the fly pad. I didn't even realize that. And I've flown this thing 80 times. I didn't even realize that. I was trying to adjust the yaw rate on it, the speed. So it's down to 19%. It's just dropping minute by minute, so I'm landing it. Oh well. Adios Amigo Bebop. It is what it is. I'll have to put this away for the winter, and I'll just get new batteries next year. I'm not going to buy any more for this year, so we can put this back in the box. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.